Hi everyone, this is what I look like without any makeup on, and Kris and Kathy wanted me to do 3 product makeup challenge. So I'm picking out of this palette, I am picking the lightest shade, which is this one right here, and a lipstick by ColourPop and Color Meets concealer, because if I had 3 products to choose from, if I was in a rush, I'd probably pick these 3 anyway. So luckily I'm never in that kind of rush. But the concealer I'll put on first. I know I just washed my face, so I have no makeup on, but this is my first product, is the concealer. So I use like the foundation brush to set the concealer. Yeah. And luckily it's not timed like other challenges could be. Like I did the 5-minute challenge and that was a fail. But yeah, if I had 3 choices, this would be my main choice, was the concealer. Usually I put powder on top of the concealer. And then usually with a lipstick, I'd have like chapstick underneath lip balm. But I can't do that. At least my mouth isn't too bad today. But this is what I would be wearing. Usually I mix lipstick with any other lipstick to create my own color. Just like blending it in. And last would be one shade. I'm just gonna use like an older brush. I'm just going in. Usually, of course, I would put primer on, but can't do that either. So I just put this all over the lid. And that be that. And that is what it looks. And then I'm gonna like do a full face. But that is my 3-minute challenge, and I'll be back again in a little bit. Thank you, Kris and Kathy, for challenging me. And this is what I look like. That's my concealer, lippy, and a creamy eyeshadow. Bye. Welcome again. Okay, my face is done. I'm gonna go in and use my Pan That palette. That's what it looks like. And then I still have, you know, the pink just mushed in together with another palette. And let's go in and choose Project Pan palette. Sound good? Sounds good to me. Okay, where's my Project Pan? Project Pan, okay. So these are the palettes, and let's see what we get. Birds of Paradise, sounds good to me. And this is what this palette looks like. Yes, let's get started. I'm gonna start my base with this color Sunnies. Just to get this shade over with would be nice. all over the lid and my crease. Going with this pink shade now. I have Frank in this shade. So it's Juju and Coral Punch. Juju from ColourPop. Disney Princess. And this shade in Lemonade Craze. So I'm just going to go in with my crease with the shade. Going in with this yellow right here. That's such a pretty yellow. I'm going in the crease with this beautiful yellow. Going in with Adventure. It is this beautiful purple right here. Just going in the outer portion of the eye. Going in with this blue shade right here, next to the purple. Just blending that in. Now going in with Take Flight right here. This like teal shade. Going next to the blue. Going in with Lemonade Craze right here. This yellow. Going in with the pink now, this color. All over underneath the eye. This is a pretty pink. I love pink. I'm going to dig into this liquid eyeliner real quick. Sometimes I have trouble cleaning this off my eyes. It's such a pretty color. Just going in the outside portion of the eye with this eyeliner. And this is the finished look. I love the rainbow looks always. It's so beautiful. I love this look. I love the pink, the yellows, and just a colorful look. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.